Let's create this prom makeup look with me. So I'm just starting on my brows today, and I'm taking the fine eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm just going through my brows, brushing them up and just filling them in. Love this brow pencil. It is so pigmented, so affordable, but also just really, really nice and convenient as well. I'm taking some Peel Away base, and we're just going to prep the eyelids with that. This one is in the shade 1. I'm just going in with this Shades by London palette. This is palette 2, and we're taking this light shade here and we're just putting that all over our eyelids. And I'm using the Be Perfect double-ended brush for this. I'm now just taking this pink shade, and this is the only pink shade that we're taking, and we're just putting that in our crease. I'm keeping this look really simple and really basic and easy, so we're just going in with one shade today. I'm also just going to take this darker shade here, and we're going to use this for a little bit of a smoky liner. This is a really simplistic look. I didn't want too much to it. Something really easy and fun to do. Now taking the Sky Tubes mascara, and we're just going in with a little bit of that after curling our lashes. I'm now taking these half lashes from Be Perfect. These are in the style Zen, and we're just going to apply some of these. These are perfect if you're not great with lashes, guys, or you could use little pre-glued ones as well. They are super simple and easy to do as well. Now moving on to the face base, we're just taking the Maybelline Grippy Primer, and we're just putting this down. Now I like to put this down and then just let it dry a little bit so that it does go a little bit tacky. This primer is really good, and it doesn't budge, and it helps with makeup longevity as well. So I'm just using my little Hello Kitty fan here, and I'm just letting that dry a little bit. I'm now going in with the Collection Filter Finish Boosting Serum. Now this is basically just like a glowy base, and it is super nice, and we're going for quite a glowy look here, so I just went in with a little bit of this just to give the base a little bit of glow. I'm now just taking NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc, and we're going in with this. Absolutely love this foundation. It is my favourite. I do have it in my kit as well. I do use this on clients because I feel like it is just absolutely flawless. I'm yet to try others, but I absolutely love this foundation. It is a staple for me. Now just taking the contour stick from Doll Beauty, and this one is in the shade Light, and we're just doing a few dots in the places that we want to put some contour. We're just going back and forth at blending that out with the Doll Beauty brush. Now just taking the H&B concealer in the shade 1.5, and we are just placing a little bit of this in the areas that we want to brighten up a little bit and add a bit of coverage. So this will be under the eyes and basically down the T-zone of my face. Just really wanted to create a nice soft but easy look. Now I'm just taking the Fit Me powder, and I'm just setting my under eyes with this. Now if it looks like I've been crying here, guys, I actually have. I've had a bit of a time of it recently, and the fact that my girls are leaving school and one's starting school has just really got me emotional this month, so I am going to be an absolute wreck. Now just taking the Soft Focus Loose Powder from H&B. I absolutely love this. This is my favourite powder at the moment because I feel like it just makes you look flawless. It really does make you just look dead, like filtered. It's fantastic. Now just taking some of the bronzer from Doll Beauty. This is Gimme Sun in medium, and I'm just bronzing up my face. Now I'm going a little bit heavier with the bronzer and the blusher today. I didn't really mean to, but I ended up just wanting to cohere with the eyes, and yeah, I went a little bit heavier handed than I normally do. But mainly blusher and bronzer focused for this look. Now we're just taking the blush. I believe this is Viva La Vicky blush. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll fix it. But I think it is that blush. And I did go a little heavy-handed. I'm just taking a little nude eyeliner here from Peaches and Cream, and we're just putting that in our waterline. Then I'm just going back in with this pink shade, and we're just going to smoke out that lower lash a little bit, just to give the eyes a little bit more definition so they're just not as plain. So we're just smoking out that lower lash a little bit, adding some depth to the eye look. I'm just going back and forth with my Made by Mitchell brush here, and we're just softening that right up at the bottom of the bottom lash as well. Now just taking a little bit of Like a Diamond highlighter from Doll Beauty, and we are just putting that slightly on the brow bone, on the tip of our nose, and on my top lip as well. I like to do that sometimes. I'm also just doing like a kind of little bit on the cheeks, just to tie it in with the eyes so that it's all cohesive. Just a little bit. As you can see, I'm not dragging it right up the face like I normally would. I'm just doing a little bit on the high points of my cheeks here. I'm now just moving on to the lips, and we're taking Dear Diary by Be Perfect Cosmetics as a lip liner. Then I'm just going in with Peaches and Cream, I think it's Cherub lip gloss, and that is the lip. Really, really simple and easy. Nothing too fancy at all. But yeah, and after I've done that, I'm just setting everything with the all-nighter setting spray, just to lock everything in place. And that is this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you do recreate it, do not forget to tag me. Something a little bit simple but glamorous at the same time. Oh, I also forgot to say, I do apply a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes as well. I always forget that part. And this is this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you take some inspiration from it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, hype up the video because it helps me out as well, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.